Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Happy Science Words of Wisdom with prayer. Now, there are many people suffering all around the world. We pray for the world peace and that the war will end soon. May God heal the people's sufferings. Today's Words of Wisdom is the exploration of the right mind. The exploration of the right mind. So today I would like to read from the 10 Principles from Cantare, Volume 1. I will read from Chapter 3, The Principle of the Mind, Section 5. It is important that you manage your soul that dwells inside your physical body. To do so, we must try to govern the mind that is at the core of the soul. What are the areas that exist in the mind? There is the area of emotions or sensibility, the area of will, the area of intellect, and the area of reason. So when you reflect on your mind, you must check to see if the areas of the mind are balanced. This is the first point. Is the area of emotions of your mind overly swollen? Have you been able to emotionally stabilize yourself throughout the day from morning until night? Do you have difficulty controlling your emotions and have ups and downs? Please check if you are an emotional person or not. Next, we have the area of will. Will is the determination to actualize your intentions. This attitude is very important, but check to see if your will is not too stubborn and you are open to other people's opinions. Although it is good to have a strong will, check to see that you do not always insist on getting your way or are unable to understand the feelings of others. Having a cast iron will is not necessarily bad, but are you flexible enough to make changes when necessary? There is also the area of intellect. True intellect includes spiritual wisdom that is emphasized in Buddhism, and you should develop your intellect to this level. However, if spiritual leaders and priests or monks reflect on this area, a priest may discover that he has been merely interpreting the Bible, and Buddhist monks may realize that they have become masters of reciting the sutra rather than teachers of souls. You must also check if the intellectual area of your mind has not become distorted and swollen. You need to check the area of reason too. Reason plays the role of a compass, steering the course of a life in the right direction. But if the area of reason becomes overdeveloped and their actions overdeveloped, people tend to be cold and critical and coolly analyze others and their actions, just like a critic who judges others on how he or she will turn out to be. Those who see people and events using reason alone forget the fact that all human souls are essentially brothers and sisters, the children of God, and we are all one. In this way, first, I would like you to make sure that the areas of emotion, will, intellect, and reason are well balanced, and that together they form a perfectly round ball. Please check this every day, for this is the first step in exploring the right mind. Right, so the first step of exploring the right mind is to balance your mind, especially your emotions. So throughout the day, whether you're at work or at school, you will always encounter people. And that means you'll sometimes meet people that you like or dislike or not very fond of. At that time, your emotion may become very tilted. It is important that you realize that at that moment, or reflect on it at the end of the day and try to make a round mind again and restart the day. So the second step is to remove clouds from your thought tape. I will read again from page 123. What is the second step in the exploration of the right mind? As the first step, I explained that you have to make effort to create a well-balanced mind, to correct the distortions in each area to make it round, like a ball. The next step is to remove any clouds of thought hovering over the mind. There is what is called a thought tape, where all your thoughts and actions are recorded, on the top of the ball, which is your mind. The state of this tape determines whether or not you become happy in the course of your life. Through my books, you have probably learned what are good thoughts and bad thoughts. For instance, kindness, sympathy, tenderness, and love for others are wonderful, good thoughts. On the other hand, complaints, anger, jealousy, and envy are bad. These negative selfish thoughts and desire for self-preservation will never benefit others or yourself. It will create clouds over the thought tape of the mind, which will then block God's light that is bright like the sun. In the course of the 40, 50, or 60 years of our life, we unconsciously create clouds or roofs of thought by accumulating negative thoughts. These clouds of thought block God's light. What happens then if the light is blocked? No matter how hard your guardian or guiding spirits try to help you correct the course of your life, the clouds over your mind will shut out even their guiding light. It means that you yourself chose to live in darkness. Unknowingly, you create clouds in your mind, block out the light, and live in darkness. So the principle of happiness is to remove these clouds of thought by your own efforts, because you yourself are the one who created the clouds. If your house becomes messy, whose responsibility is it to clean it? Would the town hall send cleaners for you if you were to call them? No, they wouldn't. You must clean the mess you made in your own house. It is as simple as this. So you need to understand from deep within your soul that your suffering is the result of the clouds of your thoughts. And unless these clouds are cleared away, you can never live the right way as a child of God. The mistakes you made through your own decisions must be corrected while you are alive in this world by reflecting on your thoughts and deeds and correcting them. You will never be saved by others. Only you can save yourself by making such efforts. This attitude is essential, so please do not misunderstand this point. Right, so the second step to exploring your mind was to remove the negative thoughts that's covering your mind. And hence why it is important to do self-reflection at the end of the day, so that you get to remove all the dirt that you created and piled up through the day and restart your day anew. So in a sense, the exploration of the right mind is similar to cleaning. And we will now go on to reciting the prayers, and it is important. And prayer is also it's important to attune your mind to God's words so that you can self-reflect in the right direction. With that in mind, let us recite Happy Science prayers. Lord El Cantare, Master Ryuho Okawa, thank you very much for giving us your great light every day. We practice the principles of happiness, love, wisdom, self-reflection, and progress to make the world better with our brothers and sisters. With our gratitude, we will recite the true words spoken by Buddha prayer to the Lord, and prayer to guardian and guiding spirits. The true words spoken by Buddha, Ryuho Okawa. There used to be the light in the great universe. The light is the energy of Buddha. People can live by this energy, and Buddha's energy has made human history. It will be supplied eternally. This eternal light comes from heaven and prevails on earth. This is the light of heaven. Through the prism of Buddha, there appear the 7 colors of rainbow arching over in the sky. Here you can see Buddha's mercy. Yellow is the color of teaching. White is the color of saving. Red is the color of justice. Purple is the color of obedience. Blue is the color of thinking. Green is the color of harmony. Silver is the color of progress. These 7 colors help each other, and there appears Buddhaland. Buddhaland is shining brightly because of gathering of bodhisattvas. This is the land of love or the land of mercy. This is the land of wisdom or the land of teaching. Especially, this is the land of souls rest in peace. Real souls are the children of Buddha. The children of Buddha became real human beings. The real human beings have spirituality. The spirits are immortal powers. The spirits are immortal forces. The spirits are real entities. The physical bodies are the shadows of the spirits. It means you are the boat sailing down the great river. The great river is the symbol of the course of lives. Each of you sails down as a small boat, so you need a boatman. If it were not for your own boatman, you surely go aground. This boatman really means your mind. If your mind makes a mistake, the boat breaks into pieces by a large rock, and you also need a bamboo pole. This pole is the meaning of the true words. When you go down a rapid stream, you need to punt in a stream. Then you can change your course. The true words means the teaching of Buddha. Buddha enlightened and spoke the true words, and Buddha's teaching became a gold mine. This gold mine suggests various teachings. These are another expression of Buddha's truth. It brightens up your days. Or, to put it another way, the fruits of Buddha's mercy. All of you, now here listen to me. Never lose your way, now and forever. The guiding hand has already waved. Please follow this white hand, and go straightly on and on. Your lives are not limited to this world only. They have 3 aspects: the past, the present, the future. Your pasts have already gone by, yet still, your mistakes will be kept in your minds. That is the reason why you should understand other people, and you yourself should reflect on what you have done. You and others are not different. On the contrary, both are children of Buddha, and brothers and sisters. Now then, love each other. Let us bring up each other, and it's time to forgive each other. This is the eternal law, which penetrates the present and the future. Yes, indeed, the light of the dark night. The dark night of this world is hell. It is also the same in another world. Since we came down to this world, the sun of the truth is scheduled to rise. Now we are watching rising sun. It will shed light to the future, to invite sad people to Buddhaland. Now here I command, there shall not be conflict in this world. There shall not be distrust in this world. There shall not be crime in this world. There shall not be evil spirit in this world. There shall not be the devil in the next world. Only the ideal world, utopia, shall be realized. All of the people love each other, live harmoniously, believe in one another. That world is utopia. All of us could be the light of bodhisattvas, believing that the light has reality, believing that love has reality, believing that the truth has reality. These are the facts that should be conveyed. We, the light of bodhisattvas, get together, work together, to keep right mind and live in tune with Buddha's words. Here we vow to do so. Prayer to the Lord. Our Lord El Cantare, you are the source of all light, all power, all wisdom, and all love. May you give us light, give us power, give us wisdom, and give us love. O Lord, our Father, please protect this planet of love, Earth. Protect us from all evil, and open a future for us. O Lord, thank you for giving us light. We give thanks from the bottom of our hearts. Prayer to Guardian and Guiding Spirits. My guardian and guiding spirits deep inside of me, you are the fountain of life, the light of hope, the source of wisdom, and the shield of courage. Every day, may you help me develop my soul and refine my mind. Every day, may you give me inspiration and show me the right path to follow. Please protect me from all evil and guide me in living a better life. For this I give my thanks. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.